Imagine a simple yet powerful solution to that pesky dry cough hiding right in your kitchen. Start by opening 6 succulent dates. Now, gently simmer these gems in half a liter of milk for a leisurely 25 minutes. Low heat is the key here. This concoction, rich in nutrients, has been lauded as the ultimate dry cough remedy. And how should you partake in this soothing elixir? Savor it in 3 measured cups throughout your day. This isn't just relief, it's a wellness experience. Remember, good things come to those who wait. So take the time and steep your way to a cough-free existence. Try it and breathe easy.